All right, Super Yum Box for February 2023. This is the unboxing. For those that have Universal Yums or have gotten it before, you know you always get this little placard right here. This box is from Brazil. So it's going to break down and tell you about all the different areas. It's kind of cool. On the back side, it lists all the different foods you got. Cool stuff about last box. And you get to rate them. So let's dive in. Now, every box does come with this right here. It's going to be a kind of like an interesting book about the country, the food. It's got quizzes, games, trivia. But it also has detailed descriptions and information about every single item that they sent you. And just in case the box happens to be, or the packaging happens to be in another language, you do get nutritional information in the back. So let's dive in. I'm loving this. They've started sending sodas. This is all new. Maybe 4 or 5 boxes now. Guarana Antarctica. That's going to be
delicious.
amazing.
That's that fruit that we had in Ecuador.
Yes. Right. Yeah. Sorry, my wife's in the background. We went to Ecuador last year. Year before last.
Yeah.
These are crunched up a little bit. That's unpopular. All right. Churrasco. And seeing as how it's all in Latin, that is why it's handy to have your book. Marshmallows. Those are very soft. Here we go. They put an American sticker on it. Chocolate cake with chocolate cream filling. It's a ding dong. Haha. Okay then. Man. Bet you it was packed in the mountains or something. And that's why. Because all the chips feel whole. And they don't have a hole in them. They've just... because of the pressure difference. They are sucked in. Now this one does not have an American sticker on it. So this would be where you have to dive into nutrition information. Traditional sabor. Very traditional. It's got a picture of a grandma feeding one to the son. Maybe just regular potato chips. I don't know. Oh, a very interesting bag. Wow, these are extremely heavy. Provolone flavored cheese crackers. That's cool. Mascarpone mousse. What do they feel like? They feel like cut rope candy. Interesting. Trento bites. Peas? Petis? I believe these are dehydrated peas that taste like salsa. Crispy peanuts with onion and garlic's artificial flavor. Did not think that was peanuts. It's green. Wafers. Never can go bad with wafers. Pineapple flavor. I've had these before. These are actually really good. They're like a hollow, puffed up wheat cracker. Spicy pepperoni. Trento Allegro. This is a cool looking little candy bar. Paquita. Wow, just the whole box is in another language. That's not normally how it is. Cookies and cream. Chocolate. That I do love. Lime tortlets miniature butter cookies filled with lime. Oh, that's going to be good. Oh, rope taffy candy. That's going to be tasty. And white chocolate. Tropical flavor, banana, white chocolate with banana bits and caramel. Heck yes. What a haul. So this was Super Yums box, February 2023. That's January and that's December. Anyways, thanks for watching.